Hello, my friends. Let me tell you something shocking. English language has more than 170,000 vocabulary words. Yes, 170,000 words. Now be honest. Do you think you can learn 170,000 words? Of course not. But here's the good news. You do not need 170,000 words to speak English fluently. In fact, you can speak clear, confident daily English with just 521 words. Yes, only 521 simple words. Today's topic is how to speak English fluently with just 521 words. In this lesson, I will show you how English really works, why most people fail, and how using only 521 words, you can speak in daily life. No difficult grammar, no long words, no pressure, just simple thinking and smart practice. So please do not skip this, because by the end, your fear of English may begin to disappear. Take a slow breath, and let us begin. Part 1. Why English feels difficult. Most people think English is difficult because they do not know enough words. But this is a big mistake. The real problem is not vocabulary. The real problem is the wrong learning method. Let me explain. Even native English speakers do not use all 170,000 words. A normal speaker uses only about 2,000 to 3,000 words in daily life. And most conversations use even fewer. Words like I, you, go, come, do, make, take, good, bad, happy, sad. These words appear again and again. This means English speaking is not about knowing many words. It is about using small words many times. A child does not learn from a dictionary. A child hears simple words, repeats patterns, and slowly speaks. That is how language is learned, not by memorizing, by using. And these 521 words are high-frequency words, the words used most often. And with these words, you can create thousands of sentences. Different sentence. Now remember this. Fluency does not mean using big words. Fluency means speaking smoothly without stopping. And that happens when words feel familiar. That is why small words create confidence, and confidence creates fluency. Part 2. The secret of sentence patterns. Now let us learn the biggest secret. Sentence patterns. Sentence patterns are like roads. Words are like cars. If the road is clear, the car moves. Pattern 1. I want to. I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to learn English. Pattern 2. I need to. I need to study. I need to rest. Pattern 3. I am going to. I am going to work. I am going to practice. Pattern 4. I like to. I like to read. I like to talk. Pattern 5. I have to. I have to work. I have to wake up early. Now think. Only 5 patterns. Hundreds of sentences. That is the magic. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is flow. Part 3. Use English in real life. English is not for books. English is for life. Morning. I wake up early. I feel tired. I need water. Work. I go to work. I feel busy. Talking to people. Can you help me? I need help. I do not understand. Feelings. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel nervous. Very simple, very real, and communication works. Even simple English works. Part 4. Practice 10 minutes a day. Now let us talk about practice. You do not need hours. You need 10 minutes daily. Step 1. Choose 10 words. Step 2. Make 5 sentences. Step 3. Repeat them for 3 days. Repetition builds memory, and memory builds fluency. Also try shadow speaking. Listen, pause, repeat. I want to learn English. Pause, repeat. I want to learn English. This trains mouth and brain together. And remember, mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Part 5. Remove fear. Fear is the biggest enemy. Not grammar, not vocabulary. Fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of people, fear of sounding foolish. But simple English removes pressure. And when pressure goes, speech comes. Your brain feels safe. And when the brain feels safe, it speaks. Say this to yourself. I am safe, I can speak. Repeat it. I am safe, I can speak. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Part 6. Build a daily routine. Now build a routine. Morning, speak 5 minutes. Daytime, listen 5 minutes. Night, speak 5 minutes. Only 15 minutes daily. That is all. Morning feeds your mouth. Listening feeds your brain. Night speaking fixes memory. This is a system, and systems create results. Conclusion. Now remember one thing. English is not magic. English is not talent. English is a skill, and every skill grows through small daily practice. You do not need 170,000 words. You do not need perfect grammar. You need the right words, and 521 words are enough. Start simple. Speak slowly. Speak daily. Even 5 sentences a day can change you. Your goal is not to impress. Your goal is to express. And you can express yourself starting today. If this lesson helped you, like this video, share it with someone afraid of English, and subscribe to Easy English the podcast. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.